Another exciting change is the introduction of an ad-supported free publishing option within Pi App Studio. This feature allows developers to release or update their apps simply by engaging with ads inside the platform. By doing so, Pi Network significantly lowers financial barriers, meaning that your ability to develop and publish an app is no longer dependent on the size of your Pi balance. Beyond making development more accessible, this ad-supported approach also helps maintain the integrity of the platform. By integrating ads as a mechanism for publishing, Pi Network can prevent spam and misuse, ensuring that only genuine, high-quality contributions reach the community. It's a clever way to strike a balance between accessibility and system sustainability. Pi Network hasn't stopped there. They've also launched a special community-focused event designed to engage developers and gather valuable feedback. Users who participate in surveys or share their opinions about the best apps can earn Pi credits. The first 1,000 eligible contributors receive 5 free Pi credits, which they can use within App Studio to build or customize their apps. This initiative is a brilliant way to incentivize creative input while encouraging broader community participation. By listening to user feedback, Pi Network can continue to refine the platform, making sure it meets the needs of both beginners and advanced developers. In essence, it's a win-win. The community shapes the future of the ecosystem, and in return, contributors get tangible rewards that help them bring their ideas to life. So, why do these updates matter? Beyond just making app development easier, they represent a shift in how Pi Network is thinking about its ecosystem. By lowering technical and financial barriers, the platform invites a more diverse group of creators to participate. This is essential for fostering innovation because great ideas can come from anyone, not just professional developers. With these updates, Pi Network is actively turning its users from passive participants into active contributors. Instead of simply holding Pi or watching the ecosystem grow from the sidelines, community members can now directly influence its development by building apps, integrating Pi payments, and contributing feedback. Another key aspect of the update is the emphasis on practical utility. Pi payments are now a foundational part of apps built on the platform. This isn't just theoretical. Users can now experience Pi in real, everyday applications, which helps reinforce the concept of a real economy built on Pi. The more people interact with these applications, the more Pi becomes embedded into daily use, moving the network closer to a functional, community-driven digital economy. The platform itself has been refined to make the process as intuitive as possible. Pi App Studio now features a straightforward interface with clear guidance at every step, making it easy for first-time developers to navigate. Even if you've never built an app before, the system walks you through the process in a way that feels approachable rather than intimidating. This thoughtful design reflects Pi Network's broader vision of inclusivity, making sure that technical limitations don't prevent someone from bringing their ideas to life. At the same time, Pi Network has put systems in place to ensure fairness and sustainability. Measures like ad-supported publishing and credit limits help prevent abuse while keeping the environment open for genuine creators. These safeguards are critical because as the platform grows, maintaining quality and integrity ensures that the ecosystem remains a trusted and reliable space for innovation. It's a delicate balance, but Pi Network seems to be handling it with care. Looking at the bigger picture, these updates mark a pivotal moment for the Pi community. The combination of easier app creation, accessible Pi payment integration, and thoughtful community engagement means that anyone can now be a part of the network's growth story. Whether you're a hobbyist with a new app idea or a more experienced developer looking to leverage Pi payments, the platform now gives you the tools to create, innovate, and share your work with a global community. Ultimately, the vision is about empowerment. By making these tools accessible to everyone, Pi Network is nurturing a vibrant ecosystem where ideas can flourish. Users are encouraged to experiment, innovate, and contribute in meaningful ways, and the community benefits from a wider variety of apps and services that utilize Pi. This approach doesn't just expand the practical use of Pi, it strengthens the community by giving members a sense of ownership and active participation. The future of Pi Network looks more collaborative than ever. As more users build apps, share feedback, and integrate Pi payments, the ecosystem will continue to grow in both diversity and utility. It's a shift from a purely digital currency network to a full-fledged community-driven platform where innovation drives progress. Each app created, each feedback submitted, and each Pi transaction helps reinforce the network's goal of turning users into creators and contributors. In short, the latest updates to Pi App Studio make it clear that Pi Network isn't just building a currency, it's building a community. By removing technical and financial barriers, offering intuitive tools, and encouraging active participation, the platform empowers users of all backgrounds to contribute to a shared digital economy. Whether you're looking to test your first app idea or expand your existing projects with integrated Pi payments, now is the perfect time to get involved. If you've been curious about how Pi Network works or have been waiting for the right opportunity to start building, these updates might just be the push you need. The platform is no longer reserved for seasoned developers, it's for anyone with a vision and the desire to participate in a growing digital economy. Pi Network's commitment to inclusivity, innovation, and community-driven growth is transforming how we think about digital currencies and apps. So, whether you're dreaming of your first app, looking to contribute feedback, or simply exploring new ways to use Pi, the tools are now in your hands. The ecosystem is expanding, participation is encouraged, and innovation is rewarded. It's an exciting time for the Pi Network community, and if you engage now, you can be part of shaping its future, turning your ideas into real applications, and playing a key role in building a vibrant, creator-driven digital economy.